This is the coolest thing ever. The forecast is calling for snow. I don't know if that means snow flurries, some sort of snow. Hey guys, welcome back to today's video and today's Vlogmas. It is technically day 4 and I dropped the ball already, and I'm not even like, I'm sorry because I shouldn't have done it, but I'm also like, my life was so busy this week that it was really gonna be hard to get in a video yesterday, and I wanna make sure that I am enjoying this time and that it's comforting and soothing and just something that hopefully brings joy to my viewers. And so I didn't get one up because I didn't want to do a vlog in haste. So today we have a busy weekend coming up, guys. We had soccer games yesterday, karate yesterday. Hello, mister. Did you come to say hello to all the friends out there? So tomorrow we have, let's see, I have a bunch of moms coming over. I'm having a cookie exchange party here at our house. So I'm hosting that. So I'm going to be having to find out which cookies I'm going to make. So today I will be probably getting some stuff ready for this cookie party, and I'll be sharing that recipe with you tomorrow. But I wanted to do a little bit of a living room Christmas home tour today. I do want to make some, I don't know if there's an actual word for them, but like you take an orange and you make orange ornaments out of them. And I just feel like it is such a Little Women Christmas to have those on your tree and around your home just for decor. And it just provides a cozy, simple, there's like a simplicity there that I long for. And I feel like for a while there, our whole decor in the world, not mine per se, but in the world, got very like monochromatic and very matchy everything. And I've never been that way. I've kind of always had a hodgepodge of different decor, and I love thrift stores and just all things from the past, from the 80s and the 90s and the 50s. And so anyway, I'm super excited to make these oranges. I do them every year. So let's do that today. The forecast is calling for snow. I don't know if that means snow flurries, some sort of snow later this afternoon, evening. So we'll see. I am hoping, because here we are December 4th and we have not had any snow yet. So I love a good snow. So I'm hoping for that. So I'm waiting on the boys to get ready. They are finishing up some schoolwork. Robbie has some school stuff to do. And everybody has had lunch. And now we are going to head to the store to grab our oranges and some of our cookie supplies. Okay, before we get any further in today's vlog, I need you all to answer a very important question for me in the comments below. Are you pro colored lights on your Christmas tree? I have colored, these are actually colored and clear, but the clear is not on at the moment. Or are you a clear light Christmas tree home, or are you both? For the longest time, I think we were both. And then this year I just have white on, I have a few different trees, but white on our living room tree. And then this kitchen tree is kind of our cozy little like sitting area for the boys, and our kitchen's over this way. I have colored and white, but just leave me in the comments below. So you can leave, what could you leave for colored or white Christmas trees? I guess you can leave a Christmas tree, the Christmas tree emoji that has a little colored on it, or you can leave me a light bulb for white Christmas tree lights. And then the other thing is, like, do you have a flocked tree? Do people still do the flocking trees? Like, that's a flocked tree, or do you have a natural tree? Ooh, I also just thought of another really good question. Are you an artificial tree family or person, or are you a real Christmas tree house? So we have artificial trees, and that's just because I put them up pretty early in the season, and then they last longer. I don't have to worry about watering them. With pets in the house and kids, I'm not too concerned about, I don't know, water spilling and fires and all that kind of stuff. But I do really miss and love the smell of a fresh pine Christmas tree. The pine needles and the scent. And even if you buy one of the candles that smells like it, it's never the same. But I do miss that. And so maybe next year in our schoolroom, we'll do just a little real Christmas tree. And then that way we can still have some of that smell in the house. So let me know below too. What do you do with that? Are you artificial or real in your house? We are about to head out to our karate class, but I want to show you guys this one thing on the tree. Do you see these? So I saw, let's see, here and here and here, and you probably just saw them a second ago in my home tour video, but I wanted to show you, this is the coolest thing ever. So it looks like it's one of those gorgeous like ornament balls, but it's a balloon. And I saw this on Instagram, I think. It's all over the place. Instagram, Pinterest. So you basically just make a balloon, blow it up, and then you find where like holes are, where you need like fillers in your tree, and you just pop them in there. I'm gonna go buy red now, and it looks amazing. Isn't that so pretty? You can't even tell. And it's so much cheaper. Those Christmas cookies have been part of my family's Christmases for as long as I can remember. My mom's mom, my grandma Vera, would make them every single Christmas for as long as I can remember. And everybody would just get so excited to get these cookies from Vera, from Grandma Vera. And my mom would make these cookies as well every Christmas. And I have so many memories of her in her apron making these with me and just like taking them. And that was like my job to go ahead and, move them around in the powdered sugar. And then I've made them with my boys. And now I'm passing that recipe on to you. There are so many different names for this recipe. Mexican wedding cookies. I think I called them nutball cookies when I was little. I hope you enjoy that cookie recipe as much as my family has. And now I invite you guys to grab something cozy. I think I'm gonna make some spiced apple cider. I'm gonna put it in a cup and I am gonna take you on a little home tour, a Christmas home tour of my living room decor. Our house is small, but it is filled with so much love and Christmas joy. So here we go.
I've never cared much for winter. Ice and snow leaves me totally cold. But something's up each year in December. I love it like a miner loves gold. It's never about the presents, the turkey or the Christmas tree. It's all about that glow in my baby's eyes that lights a fire inside of me. My baby's just crazy about Christmas. Just listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas, and I'm crazy about her. Oh, the deeds that I do to please her, ain't a thing that I wouldn't do. I give my babe whatever she wants. I catch a reindeer if she wants me to. My baby's got a thing for Santa. She blushes and she giggles whenever he's near. I grow myself a beard in time for Christmas. I keep it throughout the year. My baby's just crazy about Christmas. Listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas, and I'm crazy about her. Crazy about Christmas. I must admit it's starting to grow on me too. Baby's crazy about Christmas. She's crazy about Christmas. She's crazy this Christmas. She whispers in my ear, hey Santa, come here. Please make my wish